Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Amazfit Neo. So let's begin here immediately with unboxing. As you can see, we have the box in front of us, Amazfit Neo in the front with reflecting colors, very good looking. We have PAI and the sleep tracking in the front. Also we have heart rate, sleep tracking, always on display, 28 days battery, and in the back we have 160 mAh, and we have a couple of other information about this smartwatch. So here at the bottom we can pull up all the things that we have in the box, starting from the package where is included the user manual, which you can see right here, very good package. And we have quite a few languages here, so it's understandable from all of us. Very thick book and usable, so let's put it back. You can see immediately the Amazfit here wrapped up with protection and this very beautiful green color which stand out really good. At the top you can see we have another package, and there is included the charger. You can see again wrapped up with plastic protection. Let's pull this out and see what type of charger do we have. I think it's very similar to the GTS and Stratos. You can see the package of GTS and Stratos in the back, also the T-Rex type of thing. So here we have the Amazfit Neo. You can see is very good protected by this plastic wrap. And to power this on you have to plug it in, and when you plug it in it powers on, and you can see you can't use this yet without connecting it. So let's go ahead and connect that, and we will see in the next video how to connect your Amazfit Neo with Android and iOS as well. So now that it's connected, you can see whenever you use, you have the blue light color. We have here time, date, percentage of battery, the last heart rate. Also we have here steps, kilometers, we have burn calories, weather, we have do not disturb, stopwatch, and we have PAI, also the notifications or alert as well. As you can see we have here the heart rate measuring, and you saw in the back also we have 4 buttons, up, down, select and back in the sides of the Neo. So let's try here the first and the only option that we can try, which is heart rate, and see how this watch will work. You can see the heart is blinking, which means it's measuring our heart rate, and we have the first result. You can see right here it's changing still. And this is the final result. As you can see, pretty much very fast and very good measurements from the new Amazfit Neo. We have the steps and these things that we saw before, and these will be available for us in the next few days while we are using this. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart device.